Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to generate Amazon affiliate link. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to create your Amazon affiliate account. So I already do a video on how to create one. So I'm going to be leaving it in the description box below. After which you simply need to download the app from your Play Store or Apple Store. After installing the app, simply open it. So after which you simply need to choose a product in which you want to copy the affiliate link. Let's say this one. So after that, click on the product. This as Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So after which you simply click on this share icon here. After that, you are going to see your store ID and your tracking ID. So you simply need to choose the store ID in which you want to use. So after choosing the store ID, you can choose your tracking ID. So after that, you click on what? Copy affiliate link. So guys, we just successfully copied our Amazon affiliate link. So you can now use this link to share in any social media platform that you want to use. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next video. Peace out.